and I lay your shit bare. See how I live with every piece of you. Don't underestimate the things that I will do. Now the fire started in my heart, reaching the fever pitch and bringing me out the dark. The scars of your love remind me of us. They keep me thinking we almost had it all. The scars of your love, they leave me restless. I can't help feeling we could have it all. Rolling in the deep, you have my heart inside your hand. Baby, I have no story to be told. I've heard the one of you, and I'm gonna make your head burn. Think of me in the depth of your despair, making a home down there as my shoe won't be shed. The scars of your love remind me of us. They keep me thinking we almost had it all. The scars of your love, they leave me breathless. I can't help feeling we could have it all. Rolling in the deep, you have my heart inside your head, and you played it with a beat. You're hard and I wish you never had met me. You're gonna wish you never had met me. You're gonna wish you. Throw yourself through every open door. Count your blessing, find what you look for. Turn my sorrow into treasure gold. You pay me back in kind, reap just what you sow.